decided to park in this car park, even though everyone else told us to go and park over there. A little bit of extra walking, and we're getting told it's out that way. Gotta keep our social distancing. It's alright for some of them, they've already bubbled up, or they're in the same household. There's people down here already. There's a couple of people walking across the second causeway. Almost halfway.
I think the hiking boots would have been the one, the wellies.
There's people digging for bait by the looks of it. Social distancing taken to the extreme is about 20 metres between mole and pool. And these two, doesn't really matter because they live in the same house. Well, it's worth noticing, if you're going to be coming out here walking, here is very, very, very slippery. Not for the faint-hearted. Yeah. Oh, what about being prepared, eh?
Yeah.
So, word of warning, probably about halfway down this causeway at the moment, and it is very, very slippery. So the boys over there that are digging for verm just told me there's someone looking for the engine in flip-flops, which isn't ideal. Someone's paid their pot over the causeway, just to the right, left of the life of a fisherman, mate. A lot of expenditure, a lot of time spent, nothing in return. So, seaweed's changed colour a little bit from back over there. Still very slimy. I'm quite far away from land now, as you can see.
I wouldn't advise anybody over the age of 46 to do that.
No. So, and then look, we got our first bit of wreckage by the looks of it here. So it's been riveted, so it's probably about the right age. Either that or it's a bit of Dexian. So there's roughly 2,000 tonnes of that, which come ashore here, or 2,032 tonnes I believe. So we've just come off the side of the causeway now and walk out to it. Big old chunk of metal here. Definitely part of the wreck, not quite sure what it is. You can see it's scattered all along here. There's another bit of sticking up there somewhere. No doubt there's wreckage everywhere, all around here. That is a bulky chunk. So just to pan around. Just on the edge of the causeway. Come quite a way. See these other little bits of bobs, I don't know if you can see that, just sticking up at the rocks there. Moly, checking if it's copper, no doubt. Wishful thinking. I wouldn't want to walk that back. Wouldn't want to walk anything back, to be honest. There's a bit that Molly just found. Big old chunk. To be expected, this place is littered, absolutely littered in debris. Yeah, bits completely buried there, and we are a long way away from the car park now, so our cars are literally dots there. The rocks have changed again now, they're to bigger ones, they're still green. And then
you're going for the white?
We're almost there, I'd say. Can't be that much further. We've been going half an hour, 35 minutes. Got a bit of electric cable here. Electric. Yeah. Look at how clean the colours are still. So we're getting closer now, and there's the debris field's definitely getting worse. And that's completely battered out, jammed under the rocks, and it's just everywhere. Between every rock you look at, every crevice you look at, there's rust, debris. Another chunk just there. It's a graveyard. But you look at it, that's quite thick gauge metal, and it's just twisted. Looks like a quaver. Over there. Another chunk here. Some sort of deck plate by the looks of it, the rivet holes. So Molly said he's found a minefield over that side, so let's take a walk over that side, let everyone have a look at that. Fraction shot apart. How many hundreds of times has that been smashed down onto the rocks?
Dad, do we have a pedal?
So finally made it to Conchee. You have to excuse the wind. Pretty windy on top of here. So this is a reef that wraps around. Big bit of debris just there as you pan around. Just see the boys in the distance. Obviously they're a bit quicker than me, plus I can't get too close. We're going to be social distancing at the moment, so I'll let them go and have a little play in it, and then time they're finished I can get over there. So onto a big load of big rocks now, slightly out the wind. I think Matt's thinking about swimming around now. He's not thinking about it, he's getting in the water. So that leaves me to trudge over there. Been going about 40 minutes now, I suppose. I can see why it'd take 45 minutes to get here. So, obstacles, loads of them. Like ravines like this. It's just hard to get to it now, so everything's cut off. You've got to really plan your trip around here, and it's, by the looks of it, it's got to stick to that side, because I might go swimming, I might not go swimming. And there it is, main engine, a little donkey engine behind, big stalk, 7-cylinder, 2-stroke, capable of 2,200 horsepower. It's actually less debris than I thought. Expecting to see a bit more. I mean, obviously there's natural catch points up in valleys and stuff, in the gullies, and someone's crab pot. Bit of deck with a hatch in it by the looks of it. Right, I learned the hard way. I've come all the way around that side and along the edge. You can see Matt in the water, look. He's waving to us. I stopped to the left hand side as we were walking out. I should have stopped to the right hand side. It's a lot flatter here. And what's happened is I've come across this bit. It's very high. And I think if I slipped and hurt myself now, it'd be bad news. So yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare to traverse around here. I mean, you're not going to get close to that engine without getting wet, that's for sure. So I'm going to go up this side because Paul's found something, and I'm going to walk all the way around this way quickly, around this part, plump in the water and try and get out to it. We ain't got much longer left, to be honest. It takes that long to get back. So the boys are going in. Got a snorkel round. I'll give Paul his camera. There's Matt and Harry, looking like U-boats. There go the boys, getting right up close. So talking about cannibals. She's a big old engine. Cranks in there. Little donkey engine. The boys. So, quick look around in here. Cogs. Some bobs. Some little engine on the side. So everyone's been saying they can hear some whistling. We can hear the whistling. Can anyone hear that? That thing, whatever that is. So Matt's had a bit of a catastrophe. He's trying to look for his mask. So, actually quite high here. Tide's still running south. Well, we better start heading back. Had our fun. The size of these nuts. It's actually got a slight lean over. So it's time to head back now. Get some underwater footage, Matt. So I have to be very careful while I jump in here. So there's loads of debris in the water here. That's it. There's the boys. And I'm going to make my escape round this way. Right, time to get out of here now. See, the tide's still going down, but we need to allow half an hour to get back over that first causeway. So we're heading back that way. On our way back now. See, the causeway's just starting to break over there. Quite a long way. So yeah, you see, the tide is now coming. So we need to get a spurt on. Right, it's now 4 o'clock and the causeway is well and truly broken now. You wouldn't want to come back across that. It's probably just above your knee, I would have thought now. It's breaking in two places. It broke on the furthest end first and now it's coming just down here. There's Matt and Harry, just swum across the causeway.